How long would it take you to build a fully functional website like Amazon without the help of AI?
It will take years for me.
More than a year for me to design without AI.
How long would it take with AI?
A day or two.
I think 2 hours is more than enough.
30 minutes?
30 minutes.
That would be still long.
A recent study by Cornell University shows that 25% of the Python code pushed into GitHub in the last 6 years is written with AI. And that's not a gimmick or the rise of lazy developers. It's the beginning of a time where coding isn't a hurdle anymore. Visionaries can bring their ideas to life with the help of AI. Imagine months of development plan crunched down to hours, unlocking a new abstraction layer above rote learning and syntax. But don't take my word for it. The leading vibe coding platform, Cursor, has reported 1 billion lines of code written every day. And to adapt to this newly created reality, Scalar School of Business is hosting their first vibe coding hackathon. 10 teams competing to push the boundaries of coding with AI, to build products that could disturb markets. But even with AI, it's not as simple as the push of a button. Winning a hackathon asks for more.
Perfect, awesome. Until 1 p.m. you will have time to build. From 4:15 to 5 we will have the presentation. So all the very best. Let's go.
Everyone started discussing their ideas with mentors for approval. So let's see how they are all doing and let's go and ask them some questions. What are you building today?
We're building AI Splitwise app, and what we're doing better than Splitwise is the fact that we are segregating the bill.
We are building a AI-powered pitch deck solution. Founders will not lose money because of their decks.
I think everybody is very strongly opinionated. And I think overall, just the intent of trying to do things, I think that's a big add-on.
It's very interesting to see what they've come up with in a very short span of time.
As time started running out, teams rushed to finalize their products.
Probably in life, you guys might have seen kids around you use more phones and just scroll reels and YouTube shorts and not study. Their parents might running behind them to study and not play. So I think we've got the right solution for it. It's going to be a very fun learning app for kids, which is going to be playful, colorful, and they're going to love it.
All of the images that we see, are they being fetched from a database or?
No, they are being generated from with the help of Gemini API itself.
Thank you.
So welcome to Case Buddy.
So first all you'll have to do is log in. Once you pick a case, it will ask you to start solving and you'll get your chat buddy here. Once you're done with the case, you can complete the case and it will give you a score.
Did you actually build the logic for recommended case?
Through AI itself, the Grok AI we use, because how it happens is you do a case, if it's finance, it will give you recommended finance case.
You decided to put a timer.
Yeah.
What was the rationale for that?
To just understand how fast I can solve a case.
Hi, good evening everyone. You could be an extrovert but you'd be bad at negotiating. You could be an introvert and you could be great at negotiating. But how do we get all of us on the same level? And that's the thought process that went behind Negotiator AI.
And there's the negotiation score. So when you practice again and again, you have a graph that how much are you improving.
So that you can learn all of these nuances, be at the right place, right time with the right negotiation skills.
How did you get the SVD so snappy?
So we use Grok, and in which we used OpenAI Whisper Turbo.
What did you use for chat? Was it fetching the previous messages as well?
For chart, initially I was training the model by giving it some commands that if it is difficulty level.
But what model were you using there?
Same, OpenAI.
We faced a lot of problem in who will pay what, then what are the expenses. To solve those things, we had introduced the solution, which is Split Happens.
On the dashboard, we will see the amount which I own and the amount I have to pay and the recent activities which will be there.
Do you have person as an entity or is it just the name?
Entities are what we are looking at. We will be allowing people to use their contacts.
That here you are asking the user to fill bunch of fields. Why not just ask user to just write free text?
Right. Okay. Great feedback. Yeah. Feedback.
Thank you.